How's it going? So normally I would live stream something like this, but I am playing Final Fantasy XIV for the first time, and I wanted to record it so I could cut out a lot of the probably long, super boring pauses where I'm trying to figure some things out, and thought I would just show the natural progression of the game without all the boring stuff. So first time playing it, seen a few trailers, but I've never actually played it. So I bought the starter pack, just enough to get a taste. We're gonna play it, see what we think. Maybe we'll get more, but in this day where Blizzard is creating their own problems, it's difficult for me to play any of their games without feeling a certain amount of guilt. So I just want to look for something different while I'm waiting for MechWarrior V to come out, which won't be till December. Maybe I'll get in the beta in November, we'll see. This gives me something to do for the next few weeks anyway, just to check it out. So without further ado, we're going to start this up, and I guess we're going to play Final Fantasy XIV. Let's check it out together. I guess we're going to be doing some installation here. Of course, we will sell our souls. Apparently I need to set up an Unix account. Alright, can do that. I will continue to sell my soul. Confirmation. So my email has received a confirmation. Okay. I guess I go next now. And I accept a further user agreement. Alright. Create a new service account. Next. So I need to update the game client. Alright. I will probably include this stuff for you. This is the game client. So apparently they have a launcher like Blizzard has a launcher. And they'll be updating this while they force feed me advertisements. So let's do that. Why not? It's good fun.
2,000 years later.
All right, I kind of lied to you a little bit when I said I had never played Final Fantasy before. I did play it back when it looked like that. I was going to play the Final Fantasy soundtrack here, but I was worried that I would get a copyright strike, so I didn't. But it has been a while since I played it. So I have now installed it, downloaded everything. Took for frickin' ever, as it always seems to when you have a new game. So let's fire it up and see what happens. Now I do know this launch screen looks really ugly. I don't know what it is about it. It's just so cluttered and whatever. It looks like this. I don't like it terribly much, but let's fire up the game and see what happens. First time ever. Ooh, calibrate controller. Settings can be changed anytime via, okay, sure. I'm not using a controller. Okay, the music is a little bit of nostalgia, an updated version of the old one. So I don't know where to go to next. Look at configuration. We have some things. Display sound. Let's go with a little bit less sound maybe. Music when mounted. Accessibility. Good. Themes. Example of the dark theme. Maybe we'll look at that later. Alright, so data center. Apparently this is something we have to pick. Now, one of the things I was doing, hang on a second. Hopefully that will help out. One of the things I was doing while this was installing, I spent a little time trying to understand the environment. So I know I have to pick a data center. I know I have to pick a realm. So let's start with that. North American data centers. They said there were supposed to be they being Reddit or somebody of that ilk. So there's supposed to be like a preferred data center. I don't know what that is right now. Let's see if I can look that up right now. So we go primal. Is this where we pick? Okay, well I connected to the data center, I think. I don't know. Ooh. We got some cinematics here. Hazelin.
A vibrant planet blessed by the light of the crystal. Amid azure seas, encompassing the westernmost of the 3 great continents, there lies a
I'm
realm
gonna hide this toolbar. So, oh shit.
forged by heroes.
After the cinematic.
Eorzea.
Ooh.
The annals of Eorzean history chart the rise of a succession of great civilizations, each one enjoying an age of peace, the astral eras. To date, all have proven ephemeral. In the year 1572 of the 6th and most recent astral era, the Northern Empire of Garlemald amassed a great army at the heart of Eorzea, seeking dominion over Gaul. Rising in desperate resistance, the forces of the Eorzean alliance met their would-be conquerors in the field. Yet, even as the battle raged, the lesser moon, Garlemald, was plucked from the heavens through imperial machination. From its core emerged the elder Lion Bahamut, who unleashed his fury upon the realm. The devastation brought Eorzea to its knees and the era to its end.
Yes?
These were clean, right?
What?
The glasses and stuff.
Yes.
They must not have gotten very clean. There's stuff on them. I'll put it back in.
Okay, well the thing was locked, so the door was locked, so sorry, y'all.
The light of life still shines.
Sorry.
Man labors tirelessly to raise himself from the calamity's ruin. The realm is forever changed, a stranger to him once more. Yet heedless of what lies ahead, he shall press on. Spurred by the promise of peace and prosperity. Amid this period of great change, an adventurer arrives in Eorzea, one whose tale is yet unwritten.
Me?
May crystal.
Alright. That was fun. Welcome to Eorzea. Before your character can begin, you must first create a character. Okay. I spent a little time on this during the eon that it took to load. I tend to play healers when I play. So, in the Final Fantasy world, that means I should play a white mage at the end of the day. So, I did a little bit of research, because I get to pick race, clan, things like that, of what would be best in order to maximize my ability to play that particular type of character. I've been playing MMORPGs for probably longer than some of you have been alive. And so I understand how this sort of works. So I was doing that research while this was loading. So I want to be a white mage. I want to be a healer. So my primary stat in this is going to be mind. And so I went through the race list and to see who started with the highest mind number, which is 23. With spell speed as secondary, I didn't look at that. Now, in order to become a white mage, you have to you can start as any race, whatever you want. You have to be a level 30 conjurer and a level 15 arcanist in order to become a white mage. So the race apparently doesn't matter. Everybody said just go for looks. So picking my race, I was going through looking at pictures of the various races. I initially wanted to be the Aura, which looks like Aura to me. But I didn't like it. They look like goat people, even though they're supposed to be, I think, dragonborn. So they look like goat people. Then I looked up the next one, the Lalafell, which are super creepy, little childlike looking things. Not me. Big nope there. And then the next one was a cat man or a rabbit man. And I was like, well, if I got to be one of them, I guess I'm going to be a goat dude. So I'm going to be an Aura. And then the clan, because that matters as far as your starting numbers go, is Raen, R-A-E-N. That's the highest mind value starting, which correlates to the white mage thing. I don't think it matters early on, but I think at the end game it does. So I always play the long game. So let's proceed with our character creation, because we get to check out how the... Yeah, see, Hrothgars have huge numbers, but I kind of suspected they'd be grayed out because they're in the expansion. So since I only got the starter pack, I don't have that. Oh, cool. What am I standing on? Sort of like a neural cloud. Alright. I am going to be... I can't be an Aura? That sucks. You know, the Rogadin, the mind on that one's 22, and it's got a pretty good across the board I don't want to be a girl. Be a big old Rogadin white mage. Let's do that. So the mind on that, the starting mind on this is 22. I'm probably like making a huge mistake here, but I'm going to do it. Pose. Okay, small clothes. Is that underwear? Look at me. I'm naked. Alright, we're going to pick... Okay, that's kind of cool that you can just kind of view them again. Okay, we're going to go ahead and confirm. We're going to make a Rogadin. Yeah, that's right. Hell's Guard. Because, like I said, the Hell's Guard has a 22 mind, which is pretty high up there. So, okay, so we're going to go Hell's Guard. Ooh, now I get to do how tall? I want him tall. Do I want him ripped or do I want him smooth? He's going to be a healer. Let's make him smooth. Let's make him nice and round. Skin color? Ah. Why not? Hairstyle? Let's see if we can make him look like me. Emo. That's kind of cool looking, but it's not what I look like, so. Lots of hairstyles. There we go, that looks like me. Hair color? Well, it's gonna need to be something like that, I believe, don't you? Face. Jaw. Okay. Eye shape. I hope I'm recording this. I am. Good. Phew. Not a whole lot. I don't see a lot of difference in the eyes. I have more almond-shaped eyes, and they look really tired right now because I am. Jaw, eye shape, iris size. Iris size? I don't care about iris size. Eye color. I have green eyes. I know that's probably shocking. Eyebrows. Alright. Nose. Now my nose is a lot narrower than that. That's about... Jeez, those are not very... Does he have like... Oh, it's just a shadow. I was gonna say, does he have like a... I guess that... Mouth. There's one. Okay. We'll go with that because I don't think it matters. Lip color. Those don't really change much. Facial features. Okay, so that's, do you want a beard or not? Do you want a mustache or not? Is that a mustache or is that just a philtrum? We'll give him a mustache. Yeah, I like the scar, man. G.I. Joe Kung Fu grip scar? Definitely. Ooh. I like the cheek scar better. Oh. I think that one. I'm about to sneeze. Excuse me. Tattoos. Really? I don't need tattoos. Face paint? Face paint I might dig. Oh. That's kind of cool looking. If I'm gonna be a... That's gay. Sorry, didn't mean it. Okay, let's go with that. That looks kind of cool. You can reverse it? Okay, I would like it on that side better. Face paint color. Green, okay. Alright. Voice. She's taking a dump. What just happened? Sploosh. Oh, sorry, that's funny. Of course. All right. Save appearance. Yes. Slot 1. Comment. First character. Yes. Okay. Data save. Excuse me. I have an itch. Okay. So this I don't get. I have to pick a birth date. This means nothing to me. So I'm going to pick two things. That and 13. Don't ask me why. And there. Ooh. Okay. This I did look at. This only has... So I'm going to click off here so I don't have to yell over the music. So while the birth date doesn't mean much, the deity means a little bit. Apparently it slightly alters elemental resistances. But other than that, it doesn't mean much. So I kind of looked at what the characteristic was that I would want in a deity, being that I'm going to be a white mage. I figured I would be a scholar of some kind, so I picked Thaliak, who is the ruler of rivers and wisdom and the god of knowledge. So let's pick Thaliak. I don't know what his... I bet it's the scroll. Yeah. The scroll. Okay, so that's my deity. Gladiator. No. Disciplines of magic. Yes, conjurer. Okay, so we want to be a conjurer because we have to be level 30 conjurer, like I said, level 15 arcanist, before we can become a white mage. So we're going to be a conjurer. Okay. We say okay. You have selected Lammy as your starting. Will proceed. No, I want Exodus. Select another. Exodus. We're going to pick Exodus. Specify the first and last name of your character. Well, Mormod has always been my main dude. Surname. I didn't know I had to pick a surname. Okay. A little reference to WoW there, and my gray hair. Oh my god, my phone is blowing up. You'd think people liked me or something. Stop. Oh my god. Oh, what? Okay, it's telling me I have not... Final Fantasy has not been registered with this service account, or your subscription has expired. To play the game, you must first complete the registration process using the registration code included with your purchase. To register, visit Final Fantasy XIV. So, I will say, just right off the bat, that's annoying. Super duper annoying. I should not have to deal with this. I had to register so many things and accept so many terms of service. Look, here's... Oh, did it just shut the program down? That was fucking awesome. Hey, sorry, finger, later. Alright, well, let's try this again. Because maybe it didn't pick it up before, I don't know. Okay. What's a one-time password? I don't have a one-time password. Play. Okay, well, we're going to start and see if it will let us play or if it's going to be... Oh, wow. Tell me all of that stuff I just did got saved. Let you race through what I've already done and see if it didn't time out while I was doing this. No characters. So it didn't save my character. It did save my appearance data. That's good. Okay, that's all good. So I don't have to do that again. Oh, okay, I don't need to do that. Appearance. Alright, I gotta pick birth date again. And my deity again. And I am a conjurer. And go. Yes. Okay. He seems happy. Say okay. Okay, that looks better. World is currently full. Alright. Still, at least it's loading this time. I mean, for real, I thought we were screwed there for a minute. Now we'll patiently wait. So days of playtime remaining is 30. So this is a 30-day trial. So if I like playing this, I will upgrade for sure. But let's see if I like it first, right? So that whole process was definitely not as smooth as starting out in WoW. WoW is much, much smoother. I'm falling.
Here.
It's cool, it's my character though.
Here. Feel.
I bet if I hit escape or something, I could skip this. cool they incorporated my character settings into the cinematic. I mean, I know WoW does that, but this is much cooler. Nice pose. All right. I don't know what that did for me, but while that's loading, I want to hide taskbar. Oi. Yeah, all right, lad. Am I going to have to click through this? There's no voice. You are moaning in your sleep, sweating buckets besides. I have to read my own text bubbles? Come on. I guess they save a lot of money on voice acting by not having to do that. Fine, no need to fret, you'll soon get used to it. Why does it look like I've got like a seriously, pigs? Feeling better, Capo? Ah, you can see us. I had a feeling you could, Capo. We're Moogles and we live in this wood. Okay. Can I kill you? Normal folks can't see or hear us, which makes you special. And seeing as how you're special, a special young man, maybe you can tell us something. The wood's been restless. Lots of strange things. Have you chanced to witness anything suspicious? Stop calling me Cuppo. That's annoying. That would be a no. Yes, that's right. I've only just arrived. Nice to meet you. That's just bizarre. Ready to be done with the animation and get on with the gameplay. Thank you. Nope, your shit's gone, dude. And it's got how about you keeping me company? What do you mean? Peddling's me trade. Fine, fine. I'm not reading these to you. I have to answer. Why did you become an adventurer? To win glory. Okay, I want to report to the Adventurers Guild. Fine. Thank you for your words of wisdom. Do I get to kill this guy? He looks creepy as all. Oh, that's a mask. Wood whaler. Whale on my wood. Did I say that out loud? kill these people. Skirmish has broken out up ahead with the XIV. For your own safety, you must remain here until... No, I will come and kill them all. Too late. Bloody hells, we shall hold them here. Try to break clear. I want to kill them. I wanted to get a good look at him, too. Oh, running away, eh? No. I didn't look like I was happy about that. Yes, it's my first trip to Gridania. Oh, yes. Oh, pretty. The Black Shroud, the biggest, lushest forest in all of Eorzea. Birdman raids. Behold Gridania, the forest nation, blessed by the elementals.
The Black Shroud, the ancient forest, close to the heart of Eorzea. Beneath the boughs of its towering trees lies the woodland city-state of Gridania.
Okay.
Once a sanctuary from the world beyond the hedge, even the mighty elementals, eternal guardians of the forest, could not forestall the coming of the seventh umbral era. However,
Does that look like it
Goddess Nofika
can actually fly?
to forsake her children, and today she welcomes another brave soul. One who may yet play a telling role in the tale of this great realm.
This is where we part ways. I'm off to the markets. Here, I want you to have this. What is it? Alright, short stuff.
May the matron take him to her bosom,
Yeah.
that he may never want.
Little MILF action.
And in his heart, sow serenity, purity, and sanctity.
Alright. Hopefully we made it through all this. We can start playing. Now, fortunately, a lot of the controls are very much the same as WoW. So I think that's good. I was reading through the gameplay, but I did not read any of the lore, so all this is new. Looks just like me, except the glasses. What am I doing? You there. Yes, you. I can't look around. I don't have any control over this other than clicking on the bubbles. Yes, I have newly come to the city. The Wood Whaler of Gridania. You look like you'd whale some wood. It is my duty to protect our nation while welcoming those who may be her friends. We'll just see what you are. Well, I'm not a wood whaler, so